Hey guys, it's Rebel Center, and today, a little bit different of an unboxing. More of a replacement part that I got here. So back last year, Apple held an event, and it was to introduce the iPhone 10, and we were kind of getting low on professional desktops or professional computers being good and fast from Apple. I mean, the best thing you could get was a 5K iMac that was like spec'd out. And that was really about it, because the 2013 Mac Pro was really bad, honestly. So then they released this new iMac with a 5K Retina display called an iMac Pro. And you got these accessories, and they were all space gray, and you could pick to get the trackpad with them. You know what I'm talking about. Drop a like on this video. But you couldn't buy them separately. Well, that drew a problem for some people because they really want it, but they don't want to spend the base $5,000 for an iMac. I mean, it was just crazy because nobody really needed it. Well, then there was this way, I'll leave the link down in the description, where you could actually get parts, or the mouse, the keyboard, and the trackpad all separately, but through Apple support. And this cost me like $100, maybe $60 or $70. When the white one's typically $149, so you get it for around $155 or something like that. I don't know. It was really crazy, but really easy. So I'll leave you the article down below. It's from 9 to 5 Mac, I believe. But all you gotta do, go on YouTube, look up a video of an iMac Pro unboxing, and then get the serial number off of that, and then follow the steps down below in the description through that link, and you will be able to get yourself the keyboard, the mouse, the trackpad, or just all three of them. And I also found out you can also get the black lightning cable, and it's $19, just the same as a regular 1 meter. And it's only available in the 1 meter. So this will hopefully help me get more towards an all black setup. I'm gonna be just still using the white mouse. Hopefully later on down the road I'll be able to go in and get the trackpad and the mouse, but for right now, and the lightning cable. But for now, we just got this. I did open it because I did want to make sure that this was the keyboard, and this is exactly what I was getting. So we'll go ahead and open it up, and immediately you are presented with a little booklet with instructions and stuff like that. Pretty easy stuff. And then you pull this little tab right here. It pops open, and out comes the keyboard. And you don't get a lightning cable only because they presume that you actually got the iMac Pro, which in reality, I only got a Mac Mini. So we'll throw that off to the side. It does come in this nice little plastic bag. Don't really need that. And then of course your typical thing. Really tried to get one of these, but just haven't been able to. It's been kind of hard, and I never really knew, and the article didn't come out until January. So I mean, once it came out, it was really helpful. And I was debating on whether or not to get the lightning cable, and like, do I actually need this or do I not? And I actually figured out that I did. So I just didn't even bother, and I got it. So the lightning cable you'll probably see a little bit later down the road, only because I don't think that's as important. Okay, so this is Apple Space Gray keyboard. It looks pretty good. I mean, the metal gives you an idea of what the iMac metal looks like. So if you want a little comparison, this is the first, well, not really a Magic Keyboard, but this is the wireless keyboard with the batteries in it, and this is what the new style. So I mean, silver versus space gray, kind of depends on what kind of color setup you're going for. Now this does have a lithium-ion battery in it. It's going to be a lot better. I'm not sure if it's got the new butterfly mechanism in it that's on the new MacBook Pros. I mean, I think it would, but it probably doesn't, only because it looks like it's got the MacBook Pro from 2015 in it, the keyboard style. So just taking a look around. Of course, this only came with, only available with the extension, with the keypad and the arrows and everything like that. And then of course you got your black. You got four little stompers to make sure the keyboard stays in place. And then you have your on-off switch. You have your lightning cable. And then you have this little receiver over here. This is for the wireless transmission between the keyboard and your computer, basically for Bluetooth compatibility, to make sure that it actually works. Overall, really nice keyboard. Good to know that there is actually a way to get this. Really, really great. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to see more things like this. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. If you actually think about picking up, go ahead and drop a like. There should be a like for that if you're gonna pick one of these up, or just any space gray accessory by using that method. And hopefully Apple doesn't block that, but I really doubt they can. So again, hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.